we're going to find two ASME washer to locate on the top on these bolts here. And what we're going to do in this case is we're going to specify, configure a specific material properties for that fastener as well. And so we all start off on the 3Dfindit ribbon and select Insert Model. I'm going to open the ASME library. And in this case, I'm going to just kind of navigate to my part that I want. I'm going to go into metric fasteners, and down at the bottom, I'm going to go to washers metric series, and I'm going to choose on the right here plain washers metric series, and then this one AEW23. We have the ability to look in vertical mode. Table on the left is in vertical, or we can look at this table in horizontal. And in this case, I'm going to look at it in horizontal just to show you how many variations of this washer exist. So we can kind of drill down the washer. In this case, I know I want the nominal size to be 5. So I can see at the top of the screen here along these table columns, we have pencils. You can edit and enter criteria. Now I've narrowed my washer selection down to 3 unique washers that are 5 millimeter. And here on the right-hand side, you can see the washer series. We have a narrow, a regular, and a wide. I'm going to collapse this table so you can see the fastener in 3D. And I know that I want a narrow washer. There's a regular washer and then a 3D view. And there's a wide washer in 3D view. So I'm going to go back to the narrow washer. And in this case, I also want to specify and configure the material type. And I can do that right here in the table by selecting the material type attribute for the narrow washer and select ASTM material specifications. And then we're going to do, for example, a finish specification and pick that. I'm just going to choose ASTM A153 zinc coating. Now we have a material configuration. I'm going to export this washer. It's again going to bring Inventor into focus. I'm going to use that circular edge placement. I'm going to choose the circular edge on the face of this red colored bracket. And we're going to finalize that by selecting the green check mark. And there are 2 ASME material configured fasteners.